Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove the password from your Shopify store. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to the section labeled Online Store under Sales Channels. Click on it, and you'll see a notice saying your store is currently password protected. To remove this, simply click on the Remove Password button. Once you've done that, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your store is now open to everyone. Keep in mind, this feature is only available if you're on a paid Shopify plan. To check your plan, click on Settings in the bottom left corner of your dashboard, then select Plan. You'll see your current plan listed. For example, if you're on the basic Shopify plan that costs £1 per month for the first 3 months, you're eligible to remove the password. If you're not on a paid plan, you'll need to upgrade first. The basic Shopify plan gives you full access to store features at a discounted rate for the initial 3 months. After that, the regular pricing applies, but you can cancel at any time. Once upgraded and the password is removed, your Shopify store will be publicly accessible without any restrictions. So that's basically how you can remove the password from your Shopify store. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.